everything is doing great and wonderful in God's grace. Welcome to our second week. Our topic for this week is all about solving problems related to sets with the use of Venn diagram. First, let us have some trivia. What is the only number that is twice the sum of its digits? We're going to answer this trivia at the end of this video. Let us proceed to our lesson. What is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram looks like this. We have here set A and set B. This part is or are the elements that are common to both A and B. The elements common to both A and B is called the intersection. The intersection of A and B. How to solve sets using the Venn diagram? We have here steps. First step is to determine what is given and what are being asked. Step 2 is illustrate using the Venn diagram. Step 3 is to determine what operations to be used. Step 4, use the operations. And step 5, answer the questions being asked. Let us have an example. Let A and B be two finite sets such that the cardinality of A is equal to 20. The cardinality of set B is equal to 28 and the cardinality of the union of A and B is equal to 36. What is the cardinality of the intersection of A and B? So first step, determine what is given and what are being asked. So the given are the cardinality of A, which is 20, the cardinality of B, which is 28, and the cardinality of the union of sets A and B, which is 36. What is asked? We're going to find the intersection of sets A and B. Step 2, illustrate using the Venn diagram. So we have here set A and set B. We're looking for this part, the intersection of A and B. Step 3, determine what operations to be used. We actually have formula in finding the union of sets A and B. That is cardinality of A plus the cardinality of B minus the intersection of A and B. Since we are looking for the intersection of A and B, then that will be intersection of A and B is equal to cardinality of A plus the cardinality of B minus the union of A and B. Let us use this formula to answer the problem. Intersection of A and B is equal to cardinality of A plus cardinality of B minus the union of A and B. So we have 20 plus 28 minus 36. So the intersection of A and B is equal to 12. Step 4, use the operations. We were able to find the intersection of A and B. That is 12. We can already proceed to the next problem, but for the sake of knowing, let us complete this Venn diagram. We already have 12 here, and the cardinality of A is 20. Since we already have 12 here, then it means we only have 8. So that 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 is the cardinality of A. And how about the cardinality of B? It should be 28. Since we already have 12 here, then the remaining is 16. So 12 plus 16 is 28. The union of A and B is all the elements of A and B. So that will be 8 plus 12, 20 plus 16, 36. Then it means we are correct. So step 5, answer the questions being asked. So find the intersection of A and B, and it is equal to 12. Another example, in Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe Academy of Bulacan Incorporated, 120 students were randomly asked. 80 liked tea, 40 liked coffee, and 20 liked both tea and coffee. How many students liked only tea? How many students liked only coffee? How many students liked neither tea nor coffee? So first step here is to determine what is given and what are being asked. So we can see here the 3 questions being asked. So what is our given? Our given is 120 students were randomly asked. 80 students who like tea and 40 students who like coffee. Lastly, 20 students who liked both tea and coffee. Step 2, illustrate using the Venn diagram. So we already have here 20. 20 liked both tea and coffee, and that is this part. This 20 liked both tea and coffee. So that will be 20. And let us make this set as set C for those who like coffee. And this one is set T for those who liked tea. We have question letter C. How many students liked neither tea nor coffee? So let us make that set as set X. Next step, determine what operations to be used. To find the rest of the students who like tea, all we have to do is to subtract 20 from 80. That will be 60. And for the coffee, subtract 20 from 40. That will be 20. And for the X, which is the students who neither like tea nor coffee, that is 120 minus the coffee plus tea plus the 20 students who liked both tea and coffee. So that is equal to 120 minus 100. It's equal to 20. Let us check using the Venn diagram, which is our step 4. Now we already have 20 here. For the coffee, it says 40 liked coffee. So in here, we already have 20. 40 minus 20, that will be 20. For the students who like tea, we already have 20 here. So 80 minus 20, that will be 60. Since 120 students were randomly asked, so we already have 60 here, 20 and 20. It means there are 20 students who neither like tea nor coffee. Let us proceed to step 5, which is to answer the questions being asked. So, based on our Venn diagram, we have this data. So, our answer is, how many students liked only tea? It's 60. How many students liked only coffee? That is 20. And how many students liked neither tea nor coffee? That is 20. That's it, Guadans, for this lesson. Let us proceed to our trivia. What is the only number that is twice the sum of its digits? Our answer here is 18. The only number that is twice the sum of its digits is 18, because 1 plus 8 is 9, and 9 times 2 is 18. Thank you so much for learning with me, Guadans. God bless!